Step 2 of the Warrior Method is to inspire. We have found that students must feel inspired regularly so that their ambition grows and develops. This inspiration stems from their role models, their peers, and the community they surround themselves by, and directly influences the development of their character. Our method ensures that students feel inspired by being part of our community. They will learn to seek, to develop, and challenge themselves constantly with a desire to succeed that will grow and have a huge impact in their lives.